You don't need money to start affiliate marketing. What you need is the right strategy and consistency. Let me show you how to start from zero. First, understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product. You don't need inventory. And you don't need a website to begin. Step 1. Choose a niche. Pick something people already spend money on. Examples include money, health, beauty, relationships, or online skills. Choose a niche you can talk about easily. Step 2. Join free affiliate programs. Many platforms allow you to join for free. Examples are Amazon Associates, Digistore24, ClickBank, Shine Affiliate, and eBay. After signing up, you'll get a unique affiliate link. Step 3. Choose a free traffic source. This is how you get people to see your link without spending money. You can use TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook groups, Pinterest, or WhatsApp status. Short videos work best right now. Step 4. Create simple content. You don't need to show your face. You can use screen recordings, stock videos, text slides, or voiceovers. Talk about problems and how the product helps solve them. Always add a call to action like link in bio. Step 5. Place your affiliate link correctly. Put your link in your bio, description, or pinned comment. Never spam links. Provide value first, then recommend. Step 6. Stay consistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Post daily, or at least consistently. One video can change everything. Finally, track what works and improve. See which content gets views, clicks, and sales. Do more of what works and stop what doesn't. That's how you start affiliate marketing with no money. No excuses, just action. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more simple online income tips.